Hi everyone, today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's going to be troubleshooting my home AC that crapped out over the weekend and kind of the process I went through. So one day, essentially, it wouldn't start. These are the kind of fuses mine has. There's like a fuse carrier you pull out, and to check these, hopefully you have a multimeter. Just put it on continuity, which on my meter just beeps. So this is a new fuse, so this one is good. My bad ones, which I've already chucked, touch both ends. No noise and kind of infinite resistance. The next thing I did was pulled off the cover to see the cap. So I don't know what the official term is, but it has two capacitance E's. And luckily I have a meter which you can test capacitance, which is that little symbol down there. So let's go into that. Here's my cap. You probably can't see it, but there's a C, Herm, and fan. So we're going to put the negative probe on C. And also 30 and 5, so 30 microfarads and 5 microfarads is what we're looking for, give or take 5 microfarad. Let's do this, hopefully not short to ground. Got 29, it's within 5. Okay, we're good on that side. Almost 5, good on that side. So the capacitor looks good. What I failed to mention though, there was a mouse cooked to the side of this. Like he was solid, stuck there, pretty good. So I tested this, saw my capacitances were good, but my fuses were blown, and thought, oh wonderful, I'll just peel him off. He probably just shorted to ground and cooked my fuses. So I did that, put it back in, fuses fried once more. Unfortunately, the quick fix didn't work. The next thing I thought to myself was, well, let's just see if my compressor, or whatever they call it in the HVAC world, the thing with the fins around it, might be condenser. That has the 220 going to it. Let's see if that's shorted ground. Took my meter, just went to continuity again, so it'll beep. And I clipped one end. Actually pulled the old one out, so I mean, you already know how the story's going to end because this is the old one. I just clipped one of my probes to like the grate, just anything metal on the thing. So let's see if I can get it in the frame. I'm just going to clip it up here. You're not going to be able to see it. I'm going to push it back. And then down here, there's 3 pins that the 220 come in and ground. So first I tried it on the wires. Shorted to ground. Pin 2 shorted to ground. Pin 3 shorted, well, is ground. So all of them shorted to ground. And then you can check between them. So all 3 pins are shorted together. So the windings on the motor are most likely cooked on the inside and probably just grounded out. I might cut this thing over. It's probably too much of a pain in the ass to actually do, since, I already figured out what the issue was. Replaced the whole unit, unfortunately, and now it's good. But yeah, I mean, it's a quick test. If your thing just keeps blowing fuses, if you have a meter, you can just hook it to anything ground. Make sure you have a good connection, because mine was kind of corroded. I have alligator clips, so I just kind of roughed it up and then touched the pins away and was not happy to learn everything was shorted to ground. Hope it helps someone out there. Take care.